Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to print with lines in Excel. So let's open an Excel sheet. So from the file section, as you can see, there is a table. So from this file section, if you go there and click on the print option, here you can see there is the data which is shown here, but they are not lined. So what we will do is just go to Home tab and click on the whole table and click on the borders option and click on all borders. And again, now let's go to file and go to print option. Here you can see the lines are visible. So this is how you can add some lines here, or you can undo it first. Then you can go to conditional formatting option and highlight cells rules. You can use it, or you can just simply click on the theme colors and click on the click on the different colors that you want and choose a liner for it, or you can simply click on insert button and click on table button, click on OK, and you can make it a table, and then you can customize your table by clicking on it. And if you go to file option and click on print, as you can see, the format is shown here. So it's just as simple as that. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.